Introducing the Sullivan Classic in Colbert Place in Leland, North Carolina. Let's go on inside and check it out. This gorgeous open concept floor plan is 2,000 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, priced at $387. As you can see, it has a gorgeous white kitchen with white quartz countertops, a white farmhouse sink, updated lighting, tiered cabinets with crown molding, beautiful backsplash, updated appliances, slow close drawers, a breakfast nook that leads into the living room and the kitchen. Now heading outside to the outdoor oasis, covered patio with a beautiful private backyard. You can have a 6-foot privacy fence, so envision that. Now let's head on upstairs. So right at the top of the stairs, you have your beautiful owner's suite with tray ceiling and a wow chandelier, upgraded owner's bath with quartz countertops, double sink vanity, tiled shower with seat, huge walk-in closet, and a private powder room. Then headed down the hall, you have a linen closet and a laundry room with a cool tiled flooring and window with lots of natural light. Heading this way, you have your second full bath with tiled flooring, double sink vanity, quartz countertops, and then your 3 bedrooms with tray ceilings, all having ceiling fans.